Hello traders, it's AJ Day Trader here. Wednesday the 23rd of March. We had a really big day yesterday. Tuesday really surprised me. Without the fundamentals, we still had a very big day technically. So we'll get straight into the markets to see how we can take advantage of that. So the euro strengthened a lot. I thought it was in a bit of a decision area yesterday. It's just blasted through so many resistances. It's now up towards a rejection zone. So analyzing whether now is a good time to get into the move, I would say it has limited upside potential before hitting both the daily and the hourly targets, which are both at around 10880. That's only 60 pips away, so it'd be hard to find a trade, I think, in the euro that you get a good risk to reward on. But maybe some of the crosses if we look into them. So a cable finally broke out of this pennant formation. It's not too clear on the screen capture, but the price action has been within this boundary for a number of weeks. So I'm looking bullish. I'm wary of a retest, however, and we've just hit a hourly sub D on the Fibonacci, and we would be expecting a pullback at some point. The Aussie has been surprising me with its weakness. It's really come off. It failed to close above the daily trend line coming in here. That's the only reason why I can see this weakness come in technically. We've come off several hundred pips. So I think it works its way down towards the next daily resistance, which would have completed the D if it hadn't taken out the A here, which is at about 0.7530. It could take its time to get there because we're against the overriding trend, but I think this would be a good target in the short term to get back into the long term trend up. So the New Zealand, as expected, we did spike up into the retracement zone on the daily around here. We tested the 200 EMA. If you watch my video last week, I said it would do exactly this, which was retest this trend line. That would satisfy the retracement needed on the daily and test the 250 EMA. Depending on the extent of uh, the recent dollar weakness, we could, if that's sort of dropping off at the moment, we could see New Zealand really quickly dropping off. I think we get down fairly quickly in the next few weeks and months to the D target with just this trend line coming into play. So USD CAD, the CAD's been very difficult to trade. Like I said, I feel sorry for people that were caught in this spike. We had a nice sort of breakout and then just rejected really strongly off of it. The daily is so unclear that as yesterday, I'm just going to move on because it's no good finding any setups on the short-term time frame when the daily is so unclear that high probability setups are hard to come by. So with the yen, it's broken out of its range. I was actually trading for the range to hold, but I only had a small position in it. If we hold this bearish action, I think we could see this complete towards 110. So with a range, I normally take the distance between the range, project that downwards and form my target. It's not too far off the daily target, so I think that's a good place to start. The hourly D also comes in at around 110, well, 109 here. We have just hit the hourly D on the yen, so we would expect a retracement up towards 113, which does break back into the range. So if that happens today, I will think I assume the range is held. But if that happens sometimes late in the week, I will be looking to trade it down towards the target. So that wraps up the major currencies. I am looking to improve my screen capturing software. I'll do that sometime this week. I've had a few comments of people saying it's not quite good enough. It's a little bit painful to watch. That's great. I will be looking to improve that. Other than that, have a great day trading, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks. Bye.